Sure. Here's a script for your YouTube channel FK iPhone focusing on the 2025 Oppo A58, with sections on features, exterior, and a conclusion, all within 600 words, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into a fresh budget contender from Oppo, the 2025 Oppo A58. This phone brings a clean look, improved performance, and a few surprises for its price point. So if you're on the hunt for a reliable daily driver without breaking the bank, keep watching as we explore everything this device has to offer. Let's start with the core features. The Oppo A58 2025 runs on a more optimized MediaTek chipset, which delivers smoother multitasking and better power management. The phone comes with a solid amount of RAM and internal storage, giving you enough room for apps, games, and your media collection without worrying about lag or constant clean UPS. ColorOS on top of Android feels light and responsive, and Oppo has fine-tuned the software experience for casual users and first-time smartphone buyers. The display is a noticeable upgrade. The Oppo A58 sports a large LCD panel that gives decent brightness and clarity, making it ideal for streaming videos or scrolling through social feeds. The refresh rate isn't top of the line, but for everyday use it feels snappy and responsive. Touch sensitivity is reliable, and the display quality punches above its weight when compared to other budget phones. Audio quality has been given a boost with stereo speakers, which is rare in this price range. Whether you're watching content, gaming, or just on loudspeaker calls, the sound is loud and clear. Oppo has also maintained a headphone jack, which is still a big win for those who prefer wired earphones. Camera performance is another highlight. You get a dual camera setup on the back with AI enhancements that improve skin tones, low light shots, and dynamic range. Photos come out sharp during the day, and the night mode is surprisingly effective for the category. On the front, the selfie camera delivers good results with decent color accuracy, making it more than capable for casual photography or video calls. Now let's talk about the exterior and build. The 2025 Oppo A58 keeps things sleek and simple with a flat edge design and a matte finish that resists fingerprints. It's available in a few trendy colors, each giving the phone a modern and youthful vibe. The phone feels lightweight in hand but doesn't come across as cheap. The camera module is well integrated into the rear panel with a polished look, and the buttons are tactile and easy to reach. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted and built into the power button. It's fast and accurate, which adds to the overall smooth user experience. There's also face unlock for those who prefer quick access without reaching for the button. Battery life is where the A58 really shines. With a large battery inside, it easily powers through a full day and sometimes more with moderate use. Fast charging support helps get the phone back up quickly when needed, which is always useful if you're on the move. So what's the final verdict? The Oppo A58 2025 is not trying to be a flagship killer. It knows exactly who it's for. This is a phone built for users who want reliability, a decent camera, long battery life, and a clean design at an affordable price. Whether you're a student, a first-time smartphone buyer, or just someone who wants a solid secondary device, this one ticks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Oppo A58 or if you're considering it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point phone reviews without the hype. Let me know if you'd like a version in a more casual or humorous tone, or with visual cue suggestions for editing.